Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the important topic of soil erosion and soil degradation. Soil erosion refers to the process of the top layer of soil being washed away by water or blown away by wind. This can occur due to factors such as heavy rainfall, strong winds, or improper land management practices. Soil degradation, on the other hand, refers to the overall decline in soil quality, including fertility and productive capacity. It is caused by various factors, including chemical pollution, deforestation, and overuse of synthetic fertilizers. While soil erosion primarily focuses on the physical loss of topsoil, soil degradation encompasses a broader range of negative impacts on soil health. Both soil erosion and soil degradation can have severe consequences for agricultural productivity and the environment. Soil erosion reduces the ability of the land to support plant growth, leading to decreased crop yields and increased food insecurity. Soil degradation, on the other hand, results in the loss of essential nutrients, reduced water holding capacity, and increased susceptibility to pests and diseases. Preventing and mitigating soil erosion often involves implementing measures such as terracing, contour plowing, and tree planting to prevent runoff and wind erosion. To combat soil degradation, sustainable practices like crop rotation, organic farming, and using natural fertilizers are crucial. It is important to note that both soil erosion and soil degradation are significant global issues that require immediate attention and action. By understanding the difference between these two processes, we can work towards developing strategies to conserve soil and protect our environment for future generations. Remember, healthy soil is the foundation of our food production systems and plays a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content on environmental issues.